What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. As you guys can see by the title and the thumbnail, yes, Rich merch is now available to order. You guys can go and order the Rich merch, link in the description box down below. Right now I'm waiting for the homie Nick to come out. We're gonna go together, pick up the merch. We've seen photos, they've sent us photos and videos over the phone, but obviously that's different than from seeing it in person. I'm super excited, and I gotta shoot the merch as well. So, but anyway, like I said, by the time you guys are watching this video, you guys can go and order the merch now. It is in the description box down below. Go and cop some Rich merch. I'm waiting for the homie Nick to come out, like I said, and then we're gonna go pick it up. So I'll pick up the camera once we're over there, and you guys will see the Rich merch in person. So let's go.
Once you guys see it, you guys have seen it on the vlog.
We finally made it, guys. This was a long ass drive, but we're here. Big shout out to Decal Connect. And we are finally gonna pick up the merch and finally see it in person. I've been wanting to see the merch. So also a big shout out to the homie Nick for helping me through all this and showing me the way and you know, getting my merch set up. So big shout out to the homie Nick. I appreciate you a lot, bro. And I'm super excited. So I'm waiting for him to come out. I'm getting anxious. It's just crazy. I was telling him thank you for everything, like showing me where to go for the design, who to go to.
I know. No, it's hard, bro. When you're first starting, you're like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Like, it is hard, but.
Nah, but thanks for showing me like everything. Like, I would have never really, you know, pushed it or done it, yeah, at all. So.
I know, we literally did the design.
It's basically Nick's merch at this point.
No, it's not, G. Where's my cut?
Oh my gosh. Got the C8 in the driveway, Rich.
None of the cool cars.
Damn.
Kevin.
What's up, bro? How are you? Nice to meet you.
It's weird saying my own name, bro.
Kevin and Kevin.
Damn.
Damn, I should have did that, huh?
Bro.
You ain't ready for this.
Bro, these are so sick.
Wow, that looks so sick.
God.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Quality.
Damn, look at that. With the orange in there too on the KG.
That is so sick, actually. How'd you do that, bro?
That is hard.
Damn,
That is
sick.
hard. Oh
Rich?
my gosh, bro.
Quality, bro.
Bro, I swear it's gonna do good.
Yeah.
The Rich little thing.
It's hard, bro.
That is
He got
sick.
everyone saying it, so
Yeah.
why not put it on the shirt, bro? Did you see my car? Now I need a new car, bro.
Tell me why I was crying with you, bro.
I was crying.
That was a sad video, low key.
You were behind him?
Yeah, literally.
Bro, he saw everything.
It's crazy. Yeah, I'm your witness.
I mean, new car. I gotta get a new car though, so maybe.
That's what you see, bro.
We'll get Kevin's other car. Kevin and Kevin, by the way.
Yeah, two Kevins.
That's crazy, bro.
I know.
Energy.
Look at the garage setup,
Oh,
guys.
bro. These fools, yeah, you guys are rich for sure.
Rich.
No, this is the car, guys.
Damn.
Market by the brothers. The two cars I want. Bro, these
Oh
are
my
literally the
gosh,
two
this
cars
shit is
that,
sick,
big
dude.
Bro, I see you on that car.
Really?
Wow, bro.
This one would definitely do better on YouTube.
Sad and black, bro.
BMW. Yeah, Sad Black.
Sad and black.
Crazy.
On
Yeah,
BBS's
both
too.
Black.
Damn, bro.
But as you guys know, my freaking one of my dream cars is an R8, and bro, Kevin's is set up perfectly. You got the Warsteiner wing.
Damn. The
Big
diffuser's
box.
sick, bro.
Wait, the Warsteiner diffuser.
The G82 is nice too, though. Sao Paulo yellow. Look at the plate. It says
Yeah.
rude.
Logo on there? Bro, that's freaking sick.
That shit is not. Oh, it's on air too. I just realized.
Bro, how'd you do that?
Damn.
That's so sick.
That's a nice G82. I love these wheels too. Bro, the R8 is hard.
Yeah, that shit's insane. That's not bad.
Nick's making him do the most for a little thumbnail. So he's gonna move the truck. Bro, this R8 is hard.
beautiful.
Satin black with the carbon diffuser, the wing.
Maybe the titanium
Looks sick.
exhaust.
That shit looks so nice. Oh my gosh, bro.
I want it so bad, guys.
I'll wrap it
Again,
orange.
comment down below. R8 or G8? What do we get next, dude?
R8, R8, R8.
Kevin's really
R8. Dang, you big ballin', bro.
Big broke.
All hundos. Oh, we don't
He's
fuck
lying.
with- we don't
Those
fuck
are
with
mine.
those.
These are Kevin's. All I have is this, G.
Oh,
You're so
yeah.
rich.
No, honestly, bro, I know you've been struggling now. You know you got a new apartment. I want to gift you this, bro.
Thank you, dude. I swear I love having rich friends. Rich!
All right, let's get some lunch and then.
I don't have money for lunch.
Bro, I just gave you a whole ass stack. Homie, you're rich.
What should we buy, bro?
Let's go shopping.
This is like TEs right here.
Save that money when we go to Miami, G. because we're gonna spend money there.
We're gonna spend money there. Too.
We're gonna spend hella money in Miami. We're going all out. Poppy steak, gold steaks, $1,200.
Yeah,
You
just so
down?
you guys know, look, we're going to Florida. We're gonna spend hella money, and I also have to spend this money right now, bro. All this money, guys, is going to the merch to invest into the merch. And keep in mind, it's only half. Isn't that crazy?
That's crazy.
You got to spend this much money just to make merch, guys. Obviously, it's an investment, but look how much money you got to spend up front. This is only half of it, though. I still got to put another half when I pick it up.
Welcome to Jack in the Box. Would you like the card to do teriyaki bowl today?
No, it's okay. Thank you.
Hello, welcome. What can I get started for you today?
Can I get the Jack spicy chicken with cheese?
Of course.
A big
Taco.
dick.
That's McDonald's. And can I get curly fries as well? What do you want? A kid's meal?
4 tacos.
It's so fucking random. Who the hell orders tacos at Jack in the Box, bro?
4, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 60.
Damn, you big ballin', bro. All right, guys, picked up Nick, and we're gonna use this cool orange background. And as you can see, we are rocking the Rich merch, and you guys will be able to see it from the back right now. I'm gonna pass the camera over to Nick. We're gonna get these photos done, and it's gonna be banger. Like I said, once again, by the time you guys are watching this video, you guys will be able to finally go and cop the Rich merch. Bro, it is cold. Freezing. What is that?
I think that's my transmission. Hopefully it's done.
It's a cool little background. I've shot here a bunch of times. It's nothing crazy, nothing special, but I figured it'll go perfect with the shirt because it has orange in it, and this has orange, and the car has some orange in it. So, all right, Mr. Finding Photographer, what's a good pose you think?
Maybe the one like this?
I don't think I'm gonna sit. I think I'm gonna just stand. All right, guys. That's what the back of the shirt looks like. Sheesh, look at the details and the quality of this. Big shout out to Decal Connect for this. Shout out to Nick too for helping me through everything on this whole entire process.
That shit hard. It even has like the...
Yeah, that's just crazy.
It's sick. The cage is literally spot on.
Yeah, with
And the crazy part is like these are literally your photos
yeah,
into a design.
it's crazy. No, that's just sick, bro. Seriously, thank you. And this shirt is also yours as well. So
Yeah.
I'm giving you a Rich merch shirt.
I'm gonna throw it away.
Shut up. That's fucked up. You burn it?
No, this is hard, I swear. Honestly,
look
like, I'm
sick.
jealous of the Rich like saying. I wish I could use it on my
Rich. Do it, use it.
trademark it, G.
Use it. And look, guys,
This is fire. This is like my favorite part.
look at that.
It's super sick. Makes it all official.
Yeah, Rich.
Damn.
Oh, that shit fire.
And then the blink's a Louis blink. Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton shirt? I'm dead. But yeah, guys, it'll be listed so you guys can go and cop. And also, the packaging, super nice, but look at that. It even comes with a little sticker. It says KG Rich, Life with KG, and then your size, whatever size you guys order. That's just super nice, bro. Bro, what is wrong with you? This shit's gonna fly away.
Bro, don't lose the money.
Oh my.
Oh, we're gonna get
bro.
robbed, bro. Alright, take a picture.
Here, let's take a picture real quick. Let me put the cameras down, guys, real quick. Hold up. We're smoked out, G. Hold up. You're hilarious, bro.
Bro, it's so funny.
What's crazy is that it's real money, too.
I know.
There's cops right there. Oh. Oops.
Oh, how did they lose traction so bad?
Tires aren't warm enough. Fuck you. He's a hater, G?
Why'd they honk at you?
He's a hater.
What?
What the? Bro, my car's salvage, bro. I don't know. I don't know why I did that. Salvage AFG. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, comment down below if you guys cop the merch. Can't wait to see you guys rocking it. Can't wait to see it out in the streets. It's gonna be freaking awesome. I can't wait, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.